Yan, okay. Hello. So, this just arrived. Kaka-order ko lang nito kahapon. Ang bilis. Ito na agad. It's Marvel Legends Spider-Man integrated suit from No Way Home. This is my second ever na action figure, so I don't have that much experience with these things, so I wasn't sure kung legit ba to or not. I'm still not sure, but I'm about to find out. So let's find out together. As you can see here, sobrang fresh pa niya. Naka-bubble wrap pa and all. Pero bagong release lang naman yung figure na to. So most likely wala pang bootleg. And okay din yung reviews ng seller. So sobrang well packaged talaga siya, kung well packaged. Sa loob ng box na yan may bubble wrap ulit. So let's fast forward this a bit.
Konti lang nakikita. Okay, yan na. Kita ko na siya. Yan na. Ayun na! Wow! Ooh! Nice! Nice!
On the back of the box, you get this very generic description of Spider-Man, not really relevant to the suit nor to the movie. At the bottom, you have other figures that come with the set. So from this set, this integrated suit is the only one that doesn't have a bath part. Aside from this one, I have a fake Mafex Homecoming figure, and this is what they look like side by side. So now I'll be trying to figure out how to open this box. Like I said, this is my first time owning one of these, so I'm a bit lost.
May naka-tape sa side. I don't know what that means. What? That's weird. So sa sides pala siya binubuksan. Hindi sa taas. Okay. Nakatakot buksan. Ito na. Scissors.
I end up removing tapes, breaking tapes where I didn't need to. I wish I hadn't done that, but lesson learned.
That's this one.
Turns out that first cut was the only cut that I needed, but you'll see me breaking the other seals here.
I don't understand how it works. How does this box work? Baka pababa dapat. Ngayon ko lang napansin meron din pala sa baba.
Nope, shouldn't have done that.
Mas mahirap tanggalin yung baba eh. Ang hirap saan? Tatanggalin talaga yung buo. I don't understand. Ganun talaga?
Yep, hindi ko pa rin na-figure out at that point. And then suddenly,
Hindi ko alam ang gagawin. Ganon? Ganon? Okay, I think I have it. Wow.
so on first glance out of the box, it looks great. The colors look great. I really like this body type na mas muscular, and here it is again compared to the fake Mafex Homecoming figure.
Wow, let's get my box.
So I'm really struggling to take it out of the tight plastic here, but while I'm doing that, I just want to appreciate how nicely painted this is. So you have your nice gold shades.
Talaga siya dun sa plastic.
Also, the web lines aren't colored in, which I like.
Sinisira ako.
I think that makes it look closer to how Tom's costume looked in the movie.
Tanggalin. I don't know how I'm gonna put this back. Oh, okay. The arms are out. Yan. Ay, tanggal din.
Okay, so, ayan siya. Okay, first yung head. Okay, move like that. Okay, up and down. Tatanggal ba to? Tanggalin. Okay, so tatanggal naman siya. Weird lang kasi yung leeg hindi naman nagagalaw pero umaangat din. Parang pwede rin matanggal. Okay, so natin. It's tight. Walang kapalit na ulo though. Yan lang yung accessory niya. Yung hands. No web crawling hands. Walang ganyan. Ganito lang siya. Naka-fist or naka-web shooter pose. What's nice though is it snaps. I think that's nice. Yung arm, so it turns around in that direction.
You also get this nice butterfly joints for the arms, which gives you a good range. It's a bit tight though, as in it snaps for every movement. And then of course you can bend the elbows, you can turn the wrists around, you can make it go up or down, but it's limited because he's wearing these bracelets. He also has a nice ab crunch, and when you move it, you'll see that the insides have this gold paint as well.
Nice gold paint. Yung red on the head is same textured red on the body. May weird na part lang dito. Nag-iba yung shade ng red. Siguro kasi this one is like red talaga yung plastic. This one looks like it's just painted. Yeah, everything is textured. Sa hands niya naman, there's part na painted light blue. Both sides. Although sa likod, same shape but not painted. I'm not sure if that's intentional. Ayun. What else? Let's try to do a Tom Holland pose.
So he actually poses really well and balances really well. Tinatamad lang ako dito kaya siya mayroong stand. Pero nakakatayo yan ng maayos. And that's it. I recorded this unboxing weeks ago, and by now I already have an Andrew Spidey and a Toby Spidey as well. So if you want to see me unbox those two, just let me know. Thanks for watching.